It's Cassie with Yes, I Bought It. And first, I'd like to thank CKD for providing a sample of their Retinol Collagen Gua Sha neck cream.
Starting off, just wanted to see how it looks. It's nice, sleek, small, goes right onto the jawline. Then I added to the hand just to see the texture. Felt nice going on. It was thin but not sticky, and it has a decent consistency. I then decided to try on one side of the jaw first to see the results that I would get. So did the jawline and worked my way down, going down the side of the neck. I then did a comparison to see how it looked after the first pass, and I was actually pleasantly surprised. So I decided to move on and do another pass on the other side. And I could see noticeably that there was some adjustments, and it looked like it smoothed everything out and it felt good going on. So I'm actually impressed, and I give it a thumbs up and look forward to trying it for more time.